Hi, I'm Gary with Aldan American. Today we're going to talk about the coilover kits for the C5 and the C6 Corvettes. I've got a C6 on the lift. I've already done the installation on the left-hand side. We're going to now do the installation on the right-hand side. The front shocks are a compression adjustable shock. There's 6 points of adjustment. By turning this knob, you can go from full soft to full firm. On the rear shock is 11 positions from firm to soft, and it is a rebound adjustable shock. We're going to install this double adjustable rear C6 Corvette kit. The C5 and the C6 are very similar, so the installation is virtually the same. The kit includes the clevis, the upper bracket, the hardware. It is a rebound adjustable, so there's 11 points of rebound adjustment from soft to firm. On the compression side, there's 6 points from soft to firm. We've used this Corvette for coilover development over the last couple of years. So the leaf springs had already been removed. For information of how to remove the leaf springs, consult a service manual. Follow along as we install the shocks. We have now finished our installation of our double adjustable shocks on our C6 Corvette. I'm going to use our spanner wrench to set the final ride height and get the car ready to go to the alignment shop. For more information, check us out at aldanamerican.com.